Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save chart as a picture in Excel sheet. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see here I already created column chart. So this column chart I'm going to save as a pictures. So simply click on the chart, then right click of the mouse and click on the save as pictures option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, save as picture. Select the destination where you want to save this picture. So I select here the desktop, and here you can see in this PC desktop destination is open. Okay. And after that, change the file name. If you want to edit the file name, you can change here. So I just enter here the sales data column chart. Okay. And save as a type. So this is a file type. You can see here the PNG file type is default selected. If you want to change the file type, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see JPG, GIF and others you can select here. So I select the PNG one and click on the save, and that's it. Your chart save as a picture. I just go to the desktop and here the sales data column chart, double click on it, and here you can see your pictures is saved. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.